Everyone, my name is Kapal. The U.S. government has placed robotic dogs, robotic birds surrounding the house at 6813 Mexico Avenue, Birmingham, Alabama, the house where Kapal is residing. Kapal is such king, such head Christ, such Messiah. And the U.S. government has placed robotic birds and dogs to surround the house, to make sounds, to enslave Kapal and his relatives because of such victorious cases of Kapal. This has been going on for months. No response from the courts because the courts are filled with robot judges. A robot judge who doesn't respond to motions. They continue to hack the electronic devices at the house at 6813 Mexico Avenue, Birmingham, Alabama. They continue to have robotic birds chirp to make sounds, robotic dogs to bark to make sounds to enslave people of color. Kapal Art.